Hi everyone, I'm Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart with a new arrival. We have several really nice pickups. This is a 2013 Dodge Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 1500 Eco Diesel. So it's a Bighorn, a nicer edition. It has options like the chrome running boards, the chrome wheels. It's got the 3-liter Eco Diesel engine. So that's going to allow you to tow almost 10,000 pounds. It's a 4-wheel drive with 4-mode 4-wheel drive. It's got the chrome grille and chrome bumpers like all the Bighorns. You see the tires are in great condition, tread-wise. Tinted glass front and rear. Trailer tow mirrors. Chrome door handles. These are HTR 800 Advantage tires, and they're 17-inch. And you can see it's got a Class 4 tow hitch, dual chrome exhaust, Ball Hitch, and 7-pin wiring harness, a Duraliner bed liner that we put in. It's got a power sliding rear window. Panning around the passenger side, again in great condition. We did all the service as always. Got 180,000 miles. That's nothing for a diesel. It's got full flat rear seats, and it's got this seat storage and cup holders. Passenger seat is manual. Driver's seat is 10-way power with lumbar. It's got aluminum and dark brown interior trim, dark charcoal seats. I should say aluminum, dark brown, light beige, aluminum interior trim. See, pan around the front of the car. Get to the interior compartment. Got the 4-mode 4-wheel drive, 10-way power seat, lumbar. Automatic climate control, trailer sway control. There's your 4-mode 4-wheel drive, 4 auto, 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4 lock. Your 5.0 radio. There's your power rear view mirror, rear window, I should say. And it's in beautiful condition. We'd invite you to come by and take a look. 180,000 miles. Call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com. It's going to be $16,998. What a deal for a great truck that's going to go 400,000 miles with good care. So call me back. Thanks.